Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an HDFC NetBanking user looking to send money to Canada in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether it's for family support, business, or personal needs, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have an active HDFC NetBanking account. You'll need your login credentials, and it's a good idea to have your recipient's details handy, like their bank account information and SWIFT code for international transfers. With the latest 2025 updates, HDFC has made this even more secure and efficient. Step 1. Log into your HDFC NetBanking portal. Open the app or website, enter your user ID and password, and complete any two-factor authentication. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Funds Transfer section. Look for the international options. Step 2. Select International Transfer and choose Canada as the destination country. You'll see options for currency conversion, so pick Canadian dollars, CAD, and check the current exchange rates to avoid surprises. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details carefully. This includes their name, address, bank account number, and the SWIFT code. Double-check everything to prevent any delays or errors. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to send and review any fees involved. HDFC might charge a nominal fee for international transfers, so keep an eye on that. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your OTP or security token. Finally, after completion, you can track the status of your transfer through the NetBanking dashboard. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days to reach Canada, depending on the banks involved. Remember, always prioritize security, never share your login details, and use strong passwords. There you have it, sending money to Canada from HDFC NetBanking is now easier than ever in 2025. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.